Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's session. I hope everyone is doing great. So, what are we doing today? Today, we are completing our last chapter of the textbook, which is Clean Planet, Green Planet. We are living on Earth, and that's our planet, and we have to keep it clean and we have to keep it green too. So, what we will be focusing on? We will be focusing on our environment, Earth, the green planet, and how to save the environment. So, shall we start? All right. Now, what is an environment? The environment of the Earth is made up of mainly two components. The two natural components, one which is living and the other one which is not living. So, the living components of the natural living components of Earth, in Earth, birds, humans, plants, animals, microorganisms, and the ones which are not living, mountains, soil, water, air. So all these are natural elements, the components of Earth, but they are not living. So there are two kinds of things that make up our environment: living and non-living things. Okay, so living things include plants, animals, human beings, microorganisms, and they are known as biotic components of the environment. तो ऐसे components जो living है उनको हम कहते हैं biotic components, और ऐसे components जो living नहीं है उनको हम कहते हैं abiotic components. The non-living things include land, air, water, soil, temperature, sunlight, humidity, etc. They are called abiotic components of the environment. Now, both of these components interact with each other and only then the environment can be made up. तो जो non-living जो living things हैं उनको shelter के लिए, food के लिए और बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए abiotic components की ज़रूरत है. So both biotic and abiotic components together constitute the natural environment. Natural environment varies across the globe due to regional climate variation. तो जो natural environment है हमारा वो पूरे ग्लोब पर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे वेरी करता रहता है. हर जगह के डिफरेंट टाइप के एनिमल्स हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप का उनका सॉइल है, डिफरेंट तरीके के वहाँ माउंटेन्स हैं, कहीं पर डेजर्ट है, कहीं पर स्नो है, कहीं ठंड है, कहीं पर बहुत रेनफॉल है. सो इट कीप्स ऑन वेरिंग due to climate variations. So for polar bears, a cold environment is suitable while a desert environment is suitable for camels. Despite the fact that the environment varies from place to place, its elements never change. So elements मतलब कि चाहे climate change होगा, उनका वेरिएशन होता रहेगा, बट बायोटिक और एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स हमेशा रहेंगे. Earth, the green planet. So our planet is home to different kinds of plants and animals. The earth is a lovely place to call home. तो earth बहुत ही सुंदर है, बहुत ही अच्छा घर हमें मिला है रहने के लिए in the form of earth. यहाँ पर बहुत different type के plants हैं और different components हैं. It not only supports life but also provides shelter to life forms. The most important factor that forms the basis of life on earth is its green cover. Plants make life possible on earth. They are one of very important natural resources. तो life possible कैसे है earth पर? Because of plants. हर food chain जो है it starts with plants. Plants नहीं होंगे so there will be no life. तो जो plant है वो सबसे important natural resource है. But because of growing population, अब प्लांट्स इतना सेल्फलेसली दूसरे लाइफ फॉर्म्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं कि दूसरे लाइफ फॉर्म्स अब प्लांट्स को ही खत्म करने में, डिप्लीट करने में लग गए हैं. Because of growing population, this resource is depleting very rapidly. We must make efforts to preserve this resource, otherwise the green cover of the earth would disappear forever. जो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज लगाने के लिए, रोड्स बनाने के लिए, बिल्डिंग्स बनाने के लिए, दे आर डिप्लीटिंग दिस नेचुरल रिसोर्स. वो दे आर कटिंग डाउन ट्रीज विद अ ग्रेट स्पीड, एंड लाइक दिस the green cover of our earth will keep on depleting, and slowly there will be no life, there will be disaster on earth. Now how are trees important to us? बहुत तरीके से. सबसे पहले तो जो हम एयर ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन, वो आती कहाँ से है? वो ट्रीज से आती है. फिर जो एनिमल्स हैं, कुछ एनिमल्स जो आर्बोरियल एनिमल्स हैं, वेयर डू दे लिव? दे लिव ऑन ट्रीज. monkeys, squirrels, koalas, some of the birds that make nest on the trees. Also जो जंगल्स हैं वहां पर वाइल्ड एनिमल्स रहते हैं. जब जंगल्स में ट्रीज नहीं होंगे, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी वहां नहीं मिलेंगे, क्योंकि जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स हैं वो खाते हैं हर्बीवोर एनिमल्स को, और हर्बीवोर एनिमल्स जो है वो खाते हैं प्लांट्स को, और ये सब उनका नेचुरल हैबिटेट क्या है? वो है जंगल्स. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्रीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्रीज से और क्या मिलता है? हमें फूड मिलता है, सीरियल्स मिलते हैं, फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं, ग्रेन्स मिलते हैं. सो वी कैनॉट इमेजिन आवर लाइफ बिकॉज विदाउट द ट्रीज. ट्रीज से जो ट्रीज जब ब्रीथ करते हैं, देन जो वो वाटर रिलीज करते हैं, उससे एक्स्ट्रा इवेपोरेशन होती है, एंड देन उससे इवेपोरेशन से देन रेन भी आती है. सो दिस इज हाउ ट्रीज आर सो इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. सो लेट्स रीड इट वन बाय वन. We benefit greatly from trees in many ways. We get oxygen from trees, which is essential for life. By absorbing harmful carbon dioxide gas, trees purify the air. They release extra water in the atmosphere through their leaves, which help to bring rain. The roots of the trees holds soil, thus prevented from erosion. Trees are natural home to many wild animals like birds, insects, monkeys, squirrels, etc. We are cutting down trees without replacing with enough of them. तो हम जितनी स्पीड से उन्हें काट रहे हैं, उतनी स्पीड से हम ट्रीज को ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हैं. So consequently the planet is therefore no longer as beautiful as it used to be. तो जब ह्यूमन लाइफ कम थी अर्थ पर, हमारा प्लैनेट ज्यादा सुंदर था, rather than अब जब ह्यूमन लाइफ बढ़ रही है और प्लांट लाइफ कम हो रही है. The human population has increased, so his needs for firewood, furniture, wood for industrial and agricultural uses has also increased many folds. This has resulted in large scale of felling of trees leading to deforestation. तो अब deforestation क्या होती है? What is deforestation? Cutting down of trees to a great extent is called deforestation. Deforestation reduces green color of our planet, habitat destruction, soil erosion by wind and rain, severe flooding, a decrease in rainfall and increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have all been brought on by deforestation. तो जब ट्रीज नहीं होंगे, रूट सॉइल को बाइंड नहीं कर पाएगी, सॉइल एरोजन होगी. जब एक्सेसिव फ्लड आता है, ट्रीज बैरियर की तरह खड़े रहते हैं, फ्लड को रोकते हैं, वो नेचुरल डैम होते हैं, बट वो एक नेचुरल बैरियर होते हैं. ट्रीज नहीं होंगे तो फ्लड आएगा, एनिमल्स को शेल्टर नहीं मिलेगा, और जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो बढ़ जाएगी, हमारे लिए ऑक्सीजन कम हो जाएगी, एंड दैट इज हाउ there will be a vast destruction on earth. Now how can we save trees? अब हम जिस स्पीड से ट्रीज को काट रहे हैं और डिफॉरेस्टेशन ला रहे हैं, उसी स्पीड से अगर हम बहुत ज्यादा ट्रीज को ग्रो करेंगे, उगाएंगे, तो देयर विल बी एफॉरेस्टेशन. प्लांट्स we can plant more trees than those cut down. Planting trees in large number is called afforestation. Do not waste paper. अब पेपर किससे बनता है? वो बनता है ट्रीज से. we should try to reuse it as much as we can rather than throwing it away because so many trees are cut down to make it. तो मैंने कितना बारी देखा है या फिर यूजुअली ऐसा होता ही है कि जब हम प्रिंट आउट निकालते हैं तो one side of the page is being printed or other side of the page is it is not even being used, so we can use the other side of the page so that we can reduce the wastage of paper. Use biogas as fuel in rural areas. So instead of burning wood, we can burn biogas in rural areas. So, and we can also make people aware that how the cutting down of trees is bringing destruction on earth. So make people aware of the importance of trees. The paper for just one newspaper edition is said to be made from pulp of 7,000 trees. Just imagine one edition of newspaper 7,000 trees का पल्प यूज होता है. सो दैट इज वाई जो न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं हमें उसे थ्रो नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें उसको रद्दी वाला को हमें सेल करके वो उसको रिसाइकल करना चाहिए. In India, we celebrate the festival of Van Mahotsav for a week. तो अब बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हुआ है. हम पूरे ईयर में एक वीक ऐसा है जिसको वन महोत्सव के फॉर्म में मनाते हैं. वो कब आता है? इट इज इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई. जुलाई जो कि मॉनसून टाइम है इंडिया में, तब हम वन महोत्सव मनाते हैं थ्रू आउट द कंट्री एंड thousands of trees are being planted during these 7 days. It is a beautiful initiative to save the environment. Now, United Nations also observe World Environment Day on June 5. तो June 5 को World Environment Day भी celebrate होता है. To save environment, it is celebrated to inspire people around the world to protect and preserve environment. Now let's scratch our brain a little bit and see what have we learned till now. You have to correct the statements as true or false. Both biotic and abiotic components together constitute the environment. That's true. Trees release carbon dioxide. That's false. It releases oxygen. Large scale felling of trees leads to afforestation. That is false. It causes deforestation. People plant thousands of trees during one Mahotsav. That's true. Now, how can we save our environment further? The 3 R's are an effective way to reduce wastage of resources and to reduce the amount of waste produced. Now, what is this 3 R's method? This is actually an abbreviation or an acronym for reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. This will help us keeping our environment and surroundings clean and green. So let's study about 3 R's in a little detail. Now reduce. When using resources that are scanty or take time to replenish, we should use them wisely. तो ऐसे resources जो कम हैं और दोबारा आने में वो बहुत टाइम लेंगे, तो हमें उन ऐसे resources को reuse करना चाहिए. We should reduce the usage of such resources so that less wastage is generated. We should not waste water while brushing, shaving or bathing. तो एक वाटर है जो एक नेचुरल रिसोर्स है जो कि बहुत तेजी से, बहुत ही फास्ट स्पीड पर अर्थ पर कम हो रहा है और उसको आने में, पूरा वाटर साइकिल टेक प्लेस होने में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगता है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंजेस इन ऑल द वेदर, इवेपोरेशन का जो मेथड है वो स्लो डाउन हो रहा है, रेन स्लो डाउन हो रही है, वाटर स्लो डाउन हो रहा है अर्थ पर. ऐसे में हमें वाटर को बहुत ही सोच समझकर वेस्ट करना चाहिए. एक्चुअली वेस्ट करना ही नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड यूज इट एप्रोप्रिएटली. तो वाइल ब्रशिंग जस्ट क्लोज द टैप, वाइल शेविंग एंड वाइल बेदिंग. वी शुड नॉट बेथ अंडर अ शावर. वी शुड यूज अ बकेट वाइल bathing. Similarly, we ought to use electricity responsibly. Now reuse. Before throwing things away, हमें कोई भी चीज फेंकने से पहले ये सोचना चाहिए कि क्या हम इसे किसी और तरीके से रीयूज कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमारे घर में ग्लास बॉटल्स आती हैं. ग्लास बॉटल्स में कुछ चीजें आती हैं. सो वंस वी यूज दैट थिंग, वी कैन जस्ट वॉश द ग्लास बॉटल एंड यूज टू स्टोर वाटर इन इट और plant the seeds in it, and we can store pulses in those glass bottles. So it can be used in many ways and just not throw it away like that. We should think of creative ways to reuse them. For example, we could cover our books with old newspapers or give old toys and clothing to an orphanage. Then recycle. कोई चीज जो हमने थ्रो कर दी है, अब उसको वापस से हम रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं, रिफर्बिश कर सकते हैं. हाउ? सो रिसाइक्लेबल मटेरियल्स कौन कौन से हैं? मेटल, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक एंड पेपर. तो ये सब चीजें वापस से अपने रॉ मटेरियल में हम इसको चेंज कर कर दोबारा से रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं. They can be recycled and turned back into raw materials to make new things. We should not throw away this material, but rather put them in a separate dustbin meant for recycling waste. तो हमारे घर में एक ऐसा डस्टबिन होना चाहिए जहां पर हम recyclable waste को डाल सकते हैं, and then we can give it to the person, to a factory who recycles it. So this is how we can reduce the wastage. There are few keywords that we have learned in today's lesson. Deforestation, which is cutting down of trees in large number, and afforestation, that is planting of trees in large numbers. Also remember that there are two kind of things that make up our environment. One is living, which is called biotic components, and the other one is non-living, which is called abiotic components. Our planet is home to different kinds of plants and animals. Trees provide us with oxygen, which is essential for life. Deforestation reduces the green cover of our planet. One Mahotsav is a beautiful initiative to save the environment. We can save our environment by following the 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Let's assess ourselves and see what have we learned in today's lesson. You have to take the correct option. The non-living things are called abiotic components of the environment. Planting trees in large number is called afforestation. The UN observes World Environment Day on this day every year to save the environment. That's June 5. Before throwing things, we should think of creative ways to reuse them. Let's fill in the blanks. Our planet is home to different kinds of plants and animals. We should use natural resources which are scanty or take time to replenish. In India, we celebrate a festival of Van Mahotsav for a week in the month of July. Dash is an effective way to reduce wastage of resources and to reduce the amount of waste produced. That is 3 R's. You have to answer these questions in your notebook yourself. We can discuss here it in short. What are the two components of our environment? Biotic and abiotic. What is deforestation? Cutting down of trees in large numbers. Why should we not cut down too many trees at one time? Then you can explain the benefits of the trees that we get. Write 2 ways in which you can save the planet. So reduce deforestation, increasing afforestation, using the resources properly. So all these ways you can explain. Discuss the 3 R's to save the environment. The 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle, you can explain them. Then these are some fun based questions that you can do yourself with your family, with your friends, and have fun with the chapter. So Earth Day is an annual event which is celebrated on April 22 every year. Alright, and it was first held in like 1970. From then we are celebrating Earth Day. So you can just surf internet and collect more information about Earth Day. Also on that day you can make a poster on clean earth, green earth on any size of the sheet and pin it in your classroom. Now you have to write the names of the pictures in the boxes given below and write which one of the components are biotic and which one of them are abiotic. For example, fish is a biotic because it is living creature. So water, it is abiotic. Rest you will do it yourself. Then there is one kind of pollution which is increasing day by day, which is a plastic pollution. So that's a very serious problem. Please find more information about it, how it is being spread, how it can be reduced, and then what are the adverse effects of plastic pollution. Okay, so you can list the actions that should be taken to curb plastic pollution. Now please learn to make a paper bag for yourself, for your family, and just make people aware that paper bag is more environment friendly, it is more eco friendly rather than a plastic bag. So you can use a jute bag, a cloth bag, a paper bag to reduce the hazards of the environment. So that's all for today in this lesson. I hope you have learned a lot and had fun with the chapter. Keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.